Hey guys, welcome and Merry Christmas for all of you. Well, today I have this box. I have mini haifu inside, or portable haifu, or haifu portable, and I have so much information for you. I have been taking some special classes about haifu and about haifu device, mini haifu, portable haifu, or haifu portable. I don't know how to say if it's portable haifu or haifu portable, but I have a lot of information. What is haifu, how it works, how to use it, who can't use it, that's very, very important. And what's the difference between big machines, big haifu machines, and these mini haifu or portable haifu devices? And basically it does the same, but I'm going to show you how you can have the best benefits. And I'm going to open the box right now, and I will let you know during the video how to use it and all of this. So this is the box. This time I have scissors, so let me open. It's not a heavy box, but it keeps very safe the device. Oh, give me a second. Okay, I finally open it. And this is the box, and it has, well, this for protection, and here's the haifu. Before I open the box, I will let you know what is haifu while I open this. So haifu means high intensity focus ultrasound, and the box looks like this. It has all of these protective screens, so give me a second to open it. And this is the box where mini haifu or portable haifu comes. And if I open it in this side, sorry, so this is the box. This is the box of mini haifu, sorry guys. And when I open it, this is what it has. It has a guarantee, and this is for plug in for the charger. This is the charger, and a manual. Yes, it's in Chinese. Yes, I know, but it's in English too. I have a sister who lives in Taiwan, and she speaks 5 languages, and one of them is Chinese. But I have taken some classes about haifu, mini haifu, portable haifu, and I'm going to let you know everything in this video and in the next video, because you need to do 3 different movements with these haifu machines. This or another portable haifu, this mini haifu, which looks like this, or another portable haifu, you need to know 3 different movements, and I'm going to show you how long the movements, the session takes. Well, it takes 70 minutes to 2 hours every 3 months to 6 months, or once a year it depends of you, of your skin, how saggy is your skin and your muscles. But if you are like me, or you have more lines here, for example, or if you have lines here and here, and you have this like this, once every 3 months, and if you're younger, once a year. Okay, it has this protection, and I open it, and this is how it looks. I'm going to plug in to show you how it works. Okay, this is the HIFU, is connecting, and this button is the power button to turn it on and off, and this one, this another button, is for the levels. The levels doesn't mean higher or lower power. It means how deep the HIFU goes into your face. So it's very important to know how to use it. I am not using this HIFU at the same level in this area, in my neck, or in my mouth, or in my eyes, in this area, or this, or my forehead. My forehead, sorry. I use it in different levels, which means different depth. It's very, very important to know that before to use it. And it's very important to know who can use this device and how to use it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use it. And I have so much information for you. I have learned in these special HIFU classes that I love it, and I want to share everything with you. So we start pressing this power button. It looks like this, and with this button we change the levels. That, remember, it means how deep the HIFU goes. So what we do, we press here, and this is off. Okay, we turn it on, pressing this button. It looks like this, and with this another button we select the level, which means, remember please, how deep the HIFU will goes. It's very, very important to know that. And when we press, it's working, and we press again, it's working. Okay, I'm going to turn it on, off to let you know something. This is not a machine who can use it like this or like this. It has some special movements that I'm going to show you in the next video. Who can't use this HIFU? People who are epileptic, who has epilepsy, and the people who I mentioned in another video that I'm going to let you in the description box, and I will put this video here. Please look who can watch this video and remember who can't use it. And after that I will show you how to use it. We need to do 3 different movements in one session every 3 months if you are older than me, and if you are like me, 1 session every 4 to 6 months, and the session takes 75 minutes to 2 hours. And okay, anything else? Oh, I can remember. Oh, what it does, it tightens your skin, it plumps your face, it's an immediate lifting. When you finish the treatment, you will see your face different, tighten, plumped, your eyebrows are higher, the lines here and these lines and your forehead disappear. You can use it on your eyes area and on your mouth area. You can't use it if you have implants, but I will show you how to use it if you have it. You can use it in the rest of your face, of course, but if you have implants, I will show you how to use it to get the best benefit for that lines and for plump your smile. You will see in the next video how I use it and how my face looks absolutely different. Another thing, well, what is HIFU? It means high intensity focused ultrasound. I will let you hear the video, watch it please, to know who can't use this machine, and epileptic, if you have epilepsy or if you have implants on your teeth. And the difference between, this is important, the difference between this portable HIFU or mini HIFU or HIFU portable, mini HIFU, and the professional HIFU machine is basically this. This machine has this point, has only one high intensity focus ultrasound point, and the professional machine has a lot of them. So that's why we need to use it with 3 different movements in one session, and that's why the session takes 75 minutes to 2 hours. It depends of your skin and your age, and I will show you how to use it. It also has here radio frequency, and again, how to use it. We turn it on, we select the level, which means, remember how deep the HIFU goes, and when we press here, look at this, it's working. So we can use it in our eyes, in our mouth, in our neck, and in some areas in our body. The lines disappear. It's awesome. I love these HIFU machines, all of them. I try in these classes this one and 2 portable HIFU or HIFU portable and professional machine too, and the results are amazing, and I want to show you everything. And during the video, the next video that I'm going to do right now, you will see how my face changed. So I hope you like it, and I see you in the next video. Merry Christmas again, guys. I really love you. Thank you so much for being here with me and for subscribing. I really love you.